In this DIY, we will be creating a stylish Christmas centerpiece perfect for your festive dinner table. You will need a freestanding wooden wreath, some battery wire lights, a selection of baubles, Christmas bows and ribbon, Christmas foliage and decorations, a hot glue gun. Top tip, don't forget to check your wire lights are working before you begin. Secure the battery pack onto the base of the wreath using the hot glue gun, ensuring that the buttons and switches are facing you. Loosely wrap the fairy lights around the wreath, securing the end into place with a little dab of hot glue. Starting with the largest sized bauble, remove the cap and glue into place onto your wreath. Continue to glue the larger baubles into place, working your way halfway up the right hand side and partially up the left. Fill in any spaces with some smaller sized baubles, alternating in colour and size to build depth. Fill the remaining spaces up with foliage, pine cones and miniature decorations. Finish off the wreath with a decorative bow, securing it into place with a small amount of hot glue. And lastly, position your completed wreath front and centre of your table setting. Flick the switch and enjoy your dazzling handiwork. Thanks for watching!